Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into M1 Finance and how it makes fractional share investing simple and accessible. If you've ever wanted to build a diversified portfolio without buying whole shares, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Set up your account. Download the M1 Finance app or visit their website. Sign up for an account and complete the setup process by linking your bank account. Build your investment portfolio. M1 Finance uses a unique system called pies to represent your portfolio. Create a pie by selecting individual stocks, ETFs, or a mix of both. You can also use pre-built pies tailored to specific investment strategies. Invest with fractional shares. M1 allows you to invest in fractional shares, meaning you can own a portion of expensive stocks like Tesla or Amazon, even with a small budget. Just allocate funds to your pie, and M1 automatically distributes your investment based on your chosen percentages. Automate your investments. Enable automated deposits to consistently fund your portfolio. M1 Finance will rebalance your investments automatically to keep your allocations on track. Monitor and adjust. Use the app to track your portfolio performance and make adjustments if needed. You can update your pie at any time to reflect new goals or market trends. With M1 Finance, fractional share investing is easy, making it a great tool for building wealth over time. Have you tried fractional share investing with M1 Finance? Let us know your experience in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.